Can't get no sleep. Can't get no rest. Can't get no respect.
It's not working.
What's not working?
Microwave.
What do you mean the microwave ain't working?
It let me hit the button once and it ain't working.
The motherfucker was working a while ago. It was working a while ago.
Not now.
I just goddamn heated up a coffee. I just bought that motherfucker from the pawn shop.
It's just fix it.
The motherfucker it's plugged. I just bought it at the goddamn pawn shop. Goddamn, I should have gone to the fucking money man. Man, fuck you. That goddamn motherfucker.
Fix it.
Yeah, I'll fix that motherfucker.
What are you looking for?
I can't find that something. You shut up. When I find what I'm looking for, you there, that mother.
What are you doing?
It don't work, right?
Dad, don't fucking stop it!
Because the goddamn thing don't work. Now the motherfucker, they might give my goddamn money back. Fuck them. Fuck that piece of shit. Fuck you. I should have gone to the fucking money man. Fuck it, fuck it,
You
fuck
broke it to pieces!
I don't care. It's broken
Dad,
anyway.
I unplugged it.
You what?
I unplugged it.
I don't...
It was working, you fucking...
Why'd you unplug it?
Plug it back in and see what's... I'm afraid to do it.
I ain't touching that motherfucker. That might nuke my fat fucking ass.
What the fuck did you do?
You fed fuck you, Michael.
Ah, I stepped on the glass.
How the fuck you cut your goddamn foot off? You gotta quit this shit. I paid 80. No, I didn't. I paid a lie. I paid $65 I think at the goddamn pawn shop 3 days ago. Motherfuck. Man, you gotta quit this shit. You gotta quit this shit. It's all there to do, God, motherfucker. You gotta quit. You understand? You know, it's broke. It's your fault.
You broke it.
You owe me
I'm
a goddamn microwave. Hey, no, come here. You owe me a goddamn microwave. I ain't motherfucking laughing. I'm not taking your shit. Tell you what, this your guitar.
What are you doing?
I'll bust that fucking guitar over your motherfucking head. You gotta quit costing me goddamn money, Michael. These goddamn jokes got to stop. You stupid fucker.
All I did was unplug it.
You should have plugged it.
You smashed it to pieces.
But you tell me it broke.
You said it was broke.
No, you said it broke and I found out. That's all.